convention hall, and I'll ensure this day is remembered for a long, long time in all of your lives. Over to you.
A very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Shanice Amazia, studying in UKG in Kids Castle, Ramuti Nagar Main Road branch. The next performance on the stage is about the bravery and patriotism. Let's now talk about the sentiment of bravery, bravery and heroism, courage and patriotism. This song is full of virasa, which will tell the story of bravery, confidence, courage, zeal, and fill your hearts with the love for our country.
My name is Tanvikram, starring in Kids Castle, Ramuti Nagar Main Road branch. And it's also love our flag, our religion, our culture, and our land. And our songs and our dances, our festivals and our food and our people. Let us all enjoy the song that expresses love of loyalty from India and the feeling of pride and respect too.
And if you feel the emotion of national pride while you see the performance, do clap, cheer for our friends. Also join your hands to play our part. Vande Mataram. Thank you.
The children have said it all. If you feel the feeling of patriotism and heroism while you watch this program, this particular one, do clap, cheer, and be with them, play your part from the auditorium. This is last of the Veera Rasa, the courage that is there for the country. Let's hear it out. Vande Mataram.
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिद्ध जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वन्दे मातरम्